Hello everyone, welcome to our today's session. In our previous session, we have discussed that how to customize quick access toolbar. In our today's session, we are going to discuss that how to customize the ribbon. So, in order to customize the ribbons, we have two ways. The first way is go to file option and then go to option, and here you can see that there is an option of customize ribbon. You can select it and you can customize the ribbon by your own choice. The second option is to customize the ribbon is click here, and here you can see that there is an option of customize ribbon. So now let's do it, that how to create a new ribbon and how it will work out. So first of all, we have to create a new tab. So click on new tab, and then you have to rename the tab. For example, I am giving it the name of DNM, then press OK. And here you can see that when I create a tab, it will ask me to add some group. So every tab is consist of some groups. So let's say I want to rename it as Zoom. So I am going to add zoom in and zoom out option here. So click OK. So now you can see that my Zoom tab is now created. So go to this option and click on all commands, and now I have to select the zoom option as I have created this tab for zoom purpose. Click add, then add, select all options that are available in the zoom section. So now click on OK. So now when I click on OK, the new ribbon of tab, or you can say the tab of the name DNM is will be appearing here. So click on OK. So now you can see that a new tab or the new ribbon, you can say, that is appearing here. So click on this DNM, and here you can see that all the zoom options that I have selected from those options, they are now appearing here. So now if you want to remove this new created tab, so again go to customize ribbon, select this one and click on remove option, and then press OK. So now you can see that the new created ribbon or tab has been removed from this option. So this is how you can create, add or remove the new tab or ribbon by your own choice.